Master the days of the week in simple present tense. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic in the Grammar Fundamentals category, specifically under verb tenses. We're going to explore how to use the days of the week in the simple present tense. So buckle up, and let's get started. Before we delve into using days of the week, let's quickly recap what the simple present tense is. This tense is used to describe actions that are habitual or generally true. For example, you might say, I read a book, or she plays soccer. Now that we understand the simple present tense, let's talk about the days of the week. There are 7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. When using these in sentences, we generally use the preposition on before the day if a specific day is mentioned. For example, I visit my grandmother on Sundays. It's now time to combine what we've learned so far and use the days of the week in the simple present tense. Here are a few examples. I go to the gym on Mondays and Wednesdays. She plays soccer on Saturdays. We study English on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Remember, in these examples, the verbs are in the simple present tense and the days are specific, which is why we use the preposition on before them. And that wraps up our lesson on using the days of the week in the simple present tense. Keep practicing these constructs, and before you know it, you'll be using them flawlessly in your everyday English. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep learning and keep growing. Until next time, happy learning!